Welcome to our channel. Today's video is not about any tutorial, rather, it is about a new update. Today, when I tried to open this dashboard, I encountered this message, and it says that they are going to introduce the Azure Maps visual. So, apparently, this will replace the traditional maps we were using before in our Power BI dashboards. So now we have two choices, either to select not now and keep our existing visuals, or we can click on the upgrade maps and the map will be converted into the Azure Maps visual. So it looks like this. So why did they replace the old maps with this one? That is because it has more functions and features. For example, it supports multiple layers. So you have bubble layer, the heat map layer, 3D column layer, and traffic layer. And the traffic is real time, by the way. So you can display real time traffic by using this button, and it will display which streets are busy right now using colors. So here you can see these areas are busy right now, and there are traffic jams or slow traffic. These are the areas where traffic is completely stuck. So it has a lot of new features which were not in the previous maps. And it is a 3D map. You can turn on the 3D version of this map by clicking on this button. And now this is a 3D map. And you can turn off by clicking on this button again. It is also a more modern looking map and it is better in performance as well. And we can assume that Microsoft may introduce more Azure services, especially in the map visual in Power BI. So let's look at some features starting with the map settings. So in the default style, we have the road style, and then we have the satellite and the hybrid, which is the combination of the road and the satellite view. And then we have the grayscale and the night view, and then lighter version of the grayscale. This is new one, the Terra, and the blank. Okay, this is a blank map, so there is nothing in the map except data points. This is the high contrast map, and this is the lighter version of the high contrast map. So these are the new styles which we have in the map visual. And we can also turn on and off the labels, country borders, states and provinces, county borders, buildings, road details, etc. Then we have the bubble layer. We can turn it on and off from here. And we can use multiple layers together. For example, we can also use heat map in addition to the bubble layer. So we can also use the 3D column layer, and we can change the height and width of the column, and we can reduce the height and width of the columns and keep the 3D style showing heat map or the bubble map. So these are very nice new features. And then we have the traffic layer through which we can see the live traffic. So basically we have now a better map with better features, more functions, and with better performance. So tell us how you liked this map and what do you feel about this new visual in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.